Wavy, the newest Acca Kappa product. An innovative cone-shaped thermic brush designed to dry the hair and curl the locks gradually over the whole length, from roots to tips. Let's check it out. The handle is ergonomic, well-balanced, light, and it allows a perfect hand grip. The perforated aluminium barrel is coated with ceramic and turmalin, thus combining heat control with an ionizing effect. Bristles are made of heat-resistant nylon with rounded tips. It includes a removable tip for a more accurate sectioning of the locks. Wavy has two groundbreaking features. First, the cone shape, which allows a gradual waving of the locks over the whole length for a more modern, fresher style than the classic ringlet. Second, enhanced bristles on a longer barrel. The brush can therefore handle larger vertical sections of hair. And it can be used in two ways. With the cone facing upwards, the brush works more intensely on the hair root. The locks get a gradual waving in their width, with a soft effect on the tips. With the cone facing downwards, the hair root gets a softer effect, gradually thinning the locks down on the tips. Freely express your stylistic creativity, combining these two modes. The brush can also work on horizontal sections. It picks the locks and brushes them upwards, while drying them on both sides. Hairstyling turns quicker with Wavy. It can be used on wet hair, drying and curling it at once. The hairstyle lasts much longer, being less sensitive to moisture. The locks maintain their full, well-defined waving. Moreover, a low-temperature drying is healthier for the hair, and it helps preserving its natural hydration and gloss.